Hey, friend, delegation is difficult, and I'm not good at it. You're probably not good at it either. So let's discuss some simple ways to delegate. Now, first of all, there's a process. The process goes like this. I do whatever the task is, then you watch me do it, then I watch you do it, and then you do it. Now, let's think about it like this. Loading a dishwasher seems like some people have particular ways to load dishwashers. Now, if I wanted to delegate that process to, let's say, a child, I would begin by loading the dishwasher. Now, to train that child on how to properly load the dishwasher, in my mind, I would then have them watch me load the dishwasher. Then I would watch them as they load the dishwasher. And ultimately, if we've made it through those steps well, then they will be on their way to loading the dishwasher alone. Now, I get it. Simple explanation or simple system, but it can be very difficult. How do you know when you've got the wrong person in the wrong seat? Well, the answer is in this process of delegation. When I do something, I'm confident. I know how I'm doing that. When you watch me, I can see that you're seeing me do whatever this task is. In this case, let's say the dishwasher. When I watch you, though, that's your first opportunity to screw things up. Now, ideally, you've asked questions or I've given good explanations as you've watched me do this process. And now, as I watch you do it, I have the opportunity to step in. Now, loading a dishwasher, pretty silly example. What happens if we're delegating how to open the doors on our retail business or close up the cash registers for the night? These are difficult processes sometimes. Many steps are involved. Ideally, they're written down. So I've got a manual and I can refer to it. Or maybe it's on video and I can rewatch it. But if I've gone through this process of delegation several times and the person who I'm ideally delegating this task to can't pick it up, then they might not be right for the job. Now, some people think it may take 3 times, 5 times, maybe more to identify whether a person is even capable of doing the job or not. But you'll find it in that process. So as you go through this process of delegation, I do it, you watch me do it, I watch you do it, and then you do it. If at any point in time the individual starts to stumble and fall, then simply unwind to watch me do it. Again, if they stumble, unwind it. Wait. No. Watch me do it. It can be very powerful to simply have an audience there for a moment because there's something that happens in the subconscious as well. That as they're watching, they're also visualizing how they're going to perform the task. They can see it, they can hear, and then they have the opportunity to dig in on their own. Now, that process of watching them do it can be a little weird, but get over it. You'll be fine. Some people get all weirded out. I don't want to watch you do it. I don't want to be watched. Well, too bad. Eventually, if you do a great job at this, then nobody's going to watch you. You'll just be doing it yourself. That process is repeatable. It's definable. Each stage is definable. And it's a great way to tell whether a person simply has not been shown well or they're actually not able to do the task. I do it. You watch me do it. I watch you do it. And then you do it. Simple process of delegation that can help us all maximize the things that we're best at and we like doing anyhow. Hey, be your best friend today.